Have you ever struggled with extracting a single value from a large Excel table? Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the DGET function to pull that perfect value from your database quickly and effortlessly, whether you are tracking sales data, student grades, or inventory. DGET is a secret formula to make your life easier. So let's start the process. Look at my Excel data here. I have designed Excel data to apply the DGET formula in it. In column 1, I have taken IDs of the employees. Second column, I have taken names of the employees, and in third column, I have taken the location, and in fourth column, there is joining dates of the employees, and column E contains status of the employees, that is active or inactive. So this is the data set which I want to apply DGET formula in it. Look at the right side, I have designed another table. In this table, I will apply the formula based on the original table. So I will apply the data based on the names of the employees, not the IDs, based on the names of the employees. Write a random ID here. For example, I will write ID number 3, and in name cell I will apply the DGET formula. To apply the DGET formula, simply select the cell and write equal DGET. Before applying the formula, I will tell you that DGET is a database function in Excel. It is used to extract a single value from a database or a table that matches specific criteria. And it searches through a database that is structured as a table and returns one value from a specified column, but only if exactly one record matches the criteria. So look at the formula. At the place of database range, I will select all the table here and lock this by pressing F4 key. Now press comma, and in operation field, select the name cell, that is B2. Now press comma, and in criteria space, I will select G2 to G3 cell and lock it by pressing F4 key. Close the bracket and press enter button. See, the name is extracted from the original table corresponding to the ID. Now to fill the remaining table, simply drag the cell till the end and the data is automatically filled here. Now match the data set with the original table. See, the data is matched here. Now change the ID in ID cell and the data is automatically changed. For you, I will again change the ID here and the data is automatically changed. Again change the ID and the data is changed. Simply match the data set with the original table and see the results. There is another method to make a list of all the IDs here. Simply select the ID cell and go to the data tab. Click validation and a window is appear. In allow option, I will select list here, and in source section, simply select all the IDs from original table and click OK button. See, in the right side table, click the cell below. A list has been created here. Now this time simply select random ID here and the data is automatically changed in the table. Again change the ID, the data is automatically changed. Simply match the data set with the filtered data here. So that's how to use DGET formula in Excel. If you have any question about the entire process, then please tell me in comment section. And if this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching and keep supporting me. Subscribe my channel. Thanks.